Hey, I got a PlayStation 2 today. It came out 2 years ago. I also got the Underground game that just came out for it. Today is 2003, probably a few days before launch of this. So yeah, it's still technically new. Anyways, let's get this open and see what's in here. Oh, we got some new cables. Nice, nice. Same old cables as the PS1. Nice. Oh, the new controller. Yes, check that out. Look at that beast out. Damn, bro. Alright, let's go on to the main thing here. Put this down. Damn. Now that looks nice. This is the brand new PS2, guys. Let's go ahead and hook it up and see what it does. Man. Okay, here we go. We got plugged in, we got the memory card and everything. Let's boot it up for the first time. Oh man. Look at that. New dashboard, everything. Let's go ahead and put Underground in. Let's see what happens. Oh, crazy, man. Crazy. So, I'm going to play this for a little bit, and yeah, there you go. Brand new PS2 came out 2 years ago. This game just came out for it. Yeah, that's it.